Hello, esteemed judges. This is Katie here. I'm going to give a bit of a project overview before demoing what I have built over the past 2 days for the Climate Hackathon 2022. The challenge that I have chosen to take on is challenge number 1 by Hub Ocean and Cognite, to create an app to gain insight to ship traffic and CO2 emissions, hopefully inspiring individuals and institutions to take action to protect our oceans and planet. In terms of the solution, I have created an app that helps visualize emissions from different vessels over time with user interactivity. The goal is to help users learn how much impact shipping has on CO2 emissions, especially close to home. Technologies I used included Python, Visual Studio, Streamlit, Hub Ocean, the Marine Regions API for fetching sea areas, and Azure Blob Storage, from which I extracted the emissions and vessels data. The project code is uploaded on GitHub, and a live demo is hosted on Streamlit Cloud if you want to check it out. In terms of the vision, there were many parts of the solution I couldn't quite finish due to time constraints. I will mention these as I go through the demo. Now onto the demo. Here you can see the shipping CO2 emissions for total vessels in the Adriatic Sea over January 2020 to January 2021. You can see the total emissions here, as well as some facts to help quantify it, and it is visualized on the map as well, with the darker and taller columns meaning higher emissions. You can select different locations here, fetched from the Marine Regions API, as well as different types of vessels and time periods to analyze. I highly recommend trying a sea area close to you. Some additional things that I would want to add if given the time include 1, a geolocation feature so that the first visualization generated is based on the sea area closest to the user's IP address. 2, a box where users can input an email to their local political representative encouraging them to take action on protecting the ocean. That email would also be generated using geolocation. And 3, a way to view green and blue corridors on the visualization in order to visualize the impact that they would have and the carbon emissions they would be able to save. That is the end of my demo. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for hosting this great hackathon. Have a great day.